Why do I have to go in? I could just write down what I need. I'm a cook, not a crook.
You're whatever I say you are.
Hey, if anybody gets hurt, I'm out.
You can't only be in the game a little. That's how you get killed. Now, come on. Don't move! Don't move!
Anyone as much as twitches, blow the brains out. Let's go!
I might just take you with it. Would you like that?
I'll grab one and you get the other one. What are you doing? Roll it out here.
Yeah, you take it the rest of the way. I'll go get Half-Life. Hey, we're out of here. Let's go.
Oh, we're just getting friendly.
Yeah, let's go right now.
Don't touch me.
Let's move!
See you soon.